Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change a photo inside any Canva template. Whether it's a social media post, a flyer, or even a presentation, this works the same way. First, open up the Canva template you want to edit. You can start from your recent designs or pick one from the Canva template library. Next, click on the photo placeholder or the image inside the template. Canva uses these frames so that swapping images is super simple. If you want to use your own picture, go to the Uploads tab on the left panel, click Upload Files, and select a photo from your computer. Now, just drag and drop your new photo directly into the placeholder. Canva will automatically replace the old one and adjust it inside the frame. If the photo doesn't look perfect, double-click it to adjust the crop. You can drag the picture around inside the frame or zoom in and out until it looks right. You can also replace photos using Canva's own image library. Just go to the Photos tab on the left, search for a keyword, and drag any image you like into the frame. To give your design a unique look, click on your photo and explore Canva's editing options. You can adjust brightness, contrast, apply filters, or even use background remover if you're on Canva Pro. And that's it. You now know how to swap out photos in any Canva template, adjust them, and make your design stand out. Play around with uploads, Canva stock photos, and editing tools to really customize your work. Thanks for watching.